Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you have sudo or root and a working network. That avoids mid-update failures. First, inspect /etc/apt/sources. List and any files in /etc/apt/sources. List. D so you use official Kali repositories. Once done, run sudo apt update to refresh package metadata. This tells the package manager what's new and prevents partial installs. If apt update reports GPG or 404 errors, stop and fix the source entry before proceeding to upgrades. Now you move to upgrading installed packages. First run apt-list upgradable so you know scope, then use sudo apt upgrade for safe installs, or sudo apt full upgrade when kernel or package replacements are required because it can remove or replace packages. Make sure to read prompts. Use Y only when you understand changes. If packages are held back, check with apt mark show hold and clear holds as needed. If you see interruption errors, run sudo dpkg configure and sudo apt f install to fix pending configurations. To complete the process, you clean and verify. Run sudo apt auto remove and sudo apt auto clean to remove stale packages and caches. This keeps disk space tidy. If the kernel or core lib's updated, reboot and check uname R to confirm the running kernel. Then run sudo apt update and an apt list upgradable again to confirm everything is settled. Troubleshooting tip. If upgrades fail due to broken dependencies or bad repo entries, restore correct /etc/apt/sources. List and run sudo apt f install to repair before repeating upgrades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.